This is the Livayo Video Series for organizing and managing the small business with Livayo. Or said with a little more flair, this is about how to hyper-organize, super systemize, and meticulously micromanage your small business without becoming a micromanager yourself. So we have 5 sets of videos. The first set is an introduction to Livayo Concepts. This is important to understand before you try to look at Livayo and figure it out, because what we're doing is simply taking the current thinking about systemization of the small business, more infrastructure, more order and organization, and putting on top of it the concept of micromanagement and turning it around, suggesting it is actually a positive and not a negative. The second set of videos is just an orientation to the Livayo software. It's a brief run through. But the third set of videos is a detailed review of every single Livayo feature and how it works. The fourth set of videos is our answers to typical business questions that are asked, but we're putting it in the context of Livayo. And then the fifth set of videos is answers to Livayo questions that people have asked. So we're actually suggesting, perhaps against the grain, that the idea of micromanagement is a positive. In fact, we're suggesting it has better results on the small business, produces better outcomes, particularly in terms of the prosperity and longevity and peace of mind for the small business owner. So enjoy these videos, but more importantly, enjoy Livayo and the effects it has on you as a small business owner and on your small business.